BankAmericard Secured Credit Card Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. The BankAmericard Secured Credit Card is designed for individuals with limited or no credit history, or those looking to rebuild their credit score. Key features include a minimum security deposit of $200, which becomes your credit limit, up to a maximum of $5,000, reporting to all three major credit bureaus, and potential for unsecured credit line consideration with responsible use. There's no annual fee, which is a significant advantage compared to some secured cards. The APR, however, tends to be higher than unsecured cards, reflecting the increased risk for the lender. This card is ideal for students, recent immigrants, or anyone who's previously struggled with credit and wants a structured path to improvement. A major strength is its accessibility. The approval requirements are less stringent than unsecured cards because your deposit acts as collateral. Additionally, the established reputation of Bank of America provides a sense of security and reliability. The opportunity to graduate to an unsecured card, though not guaranteed, is a definite plus. However, the lack of rewards is a notable weakness. Many secured cards offer some form of cash back or points, which this card doesn't provide, meaning you're missing out on potential benefits while building credit. Another drawback is the relatively high APR. If you carry a balance, the interest charges will quickly offset any benefit from building credit. Furthermore, while Bank of America offers some online educational resources, the card itself doesn't come with robust credit monitoring or financial management tools that some competing secured cards include. Before applying, carefully consider if you can consistently pay your balance in full each month to avoid high interest charges. If you're prioritizing building credit quickly and reliably with a reputable institution and don't need rewards, the BankAmericard Secured Credit Card is a solid option. However, if rewards or lower interest rates are important to you, exploring other secured cards might be beneficial. Ultimately, it's a tool to improve your credit profile, and its effectiveness depends on your responsible use and repayment habits.